cleaning a bathroom isn't exactly a job we want to do. It's dirty, it's tiring, and you never know which section to start working on first. But sprucing up a bathroom has to be done at some point, whether we like it or not. Here's how to clean a bathroom step by step. Step 1. Empty the bathroom. A simple place to start when cleaning a bathroom is to empty it of its entire contents. You should gather up all your shampoos, toilet rolls, soaps, shavers, towels, bath mat and any other items you keep in the room and put them aside. It's also a good idea to pop your dirty towels and bath mat in the washing machine at this point. Step 2. Vacuum and dust the bathroom. Vacuum the floor, around the windows, the sills, the blinds, the roof, the extractor fan, along the skirting boards and behind the sink and toilet. You can also dust these areas to make sure they're extra clean. Step 3. Clean the tiles, seals and grout. It's not much work to restore tiles to their former glory. To clean your bathroom's tiles, you can create a white vinegar and water spray for the job. A 50-50 vinegar to water solution will do. Simply spray the solution directly onto and all over the tiles and wipe them down with a cloth. To clean the seals and grout in your bathroom, you can apply a bicarbonate of soda and white vinegar mixed to the areas. Then rub the surfaces with a soft toothbrush to clean the grime away. You should treat mould and mildew with a specialist cleaning product like HG mould spray. Step 4. Clean the shower curtain or screen. Shower curtains are some of the dirtiest items in a bathroom, and if they're not maintained, they can start to look really grotty. You can either wash a curtain by hand or in a washing machine. Check the care labels on your shower curtain, choose a suitable washing method, and hang the curtain back up to dry when you're done. If you have a screen or door instead of a curtain, you can use a multi-purpose bathroom cleaner or a white vinegar and water mix to clean it. All you need to do is spray the mixture on, wipe it down with a cloth, rinse it with warm water, and use a squeegee to remove excess product. Step 5. Clean the shower head and bath taps. Limescale can quickly build up inside and outside a shower head, and it can really hinder how the shower works. So it's essential that you remove this chalky build-up before it causes mayhem. To clean a shower head, you can use an off-the-shelf limescale cleaner for the job, or you can go natural and use white vinegar. If you're going to buy a product, just follow the instructions on the bottle to find out how to use the item correctly. If you'd rather go down the vinegar route, how you'll actually clean the head will depend on what type of shower you've got, fixed or not. If you've got a detachable shower head, you can pop the shower off its hook and put the head in a bowl of white vinegar for about half an hour to clean it. If your shower is fixed, you'll need to fill a large bag with a few cupfuls of vinegar. Then carefully slot this bag over the shower head and secure it in place. Leave the vinegar and shower head alone for about half an hour so the vinegar can work its magic. At the end of both processes, you should use a soft toothbrush to rub away the dirt that's lodged in the head. When you're done, you should rinse the shower head down, reattach it and turn the shower on to clean out the sprayers. Step 6. Clean the bath and or shower tray. Before attempting to clean a bath or shower tray, you should remove any hair from the plug. It's not a very nice job, but it's an essential one. To clean the actual bath or shower tray, just coat the surface in a bathroom cleaner. Then massage the cream into the bath or shower tray with a cloth and rinse the area down when you're done. Remember to clean out the soap holders that are built into your bath and trays too. Step 7. Clean the windows and mirror. Windows get incredibly dusty and mucky, and it's this grime that makes them look old and discoloured. To keep windows looking in tip-top condition, just clean the dust away from the frame and use a window cleaner spray to clean the glass itself. Just like windows, mirrors can become quite dirty if they're neglected over a period of time. To clean a mirror, just mix 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water in a spray bottle, then spray the mirror and wipe it down with some kitchen towel. Step 8. Clean the toilet and cistern. Most toilets will have some limescale build-up in them because the water sits stagnant at the bottom of the loo. So, even if your toilet doesn't look dirty, it will still need a clean. One of the simplest ways to wash a toilet is to use a toilet cleaner. Specialised toilet cleaners are not very expensive to buy, and you can buy a branded or unbranded cleaner for the job. If you've got a stained toilet bowl and you need to get rid of the marks, you'll need to treat the toilet, and this may take some time. You can remove the marks by using natural products like vinegar, bicarbonate of soda, lemon juice, or you can even try denture cleaning tablets. Just add the ingredient you want to use to the toilet bowl and allow it to rest in the water for a period of time before flushing. For an extra fragrant toilet, you can add a freshener to the bowl. Once the toilet bowl itself is clean, you'll need to clean the seat, hinges, handle and rim of the toilet. You can use a multi-purpose bathroom cleaner for these jobs. After these jobs have been completed, you can move on to cleaning the cistern. It's super simple to clean a cistern. You just need to add a solution to the water and start rubbing away the brown marks, if there are any. Step 9. Clean the bidet if you have one. Not every home has a bidet, so if you don't have one, you can skip this step. To clean a bidet, use a regular bathroom cleaner to wipe the bowl down and clean the tap part and surrounding areas with white vinegar or a multi-purpose cleaning spray. Step 10. Clean the toilet brush. A toilet brush is usually riddled with germs, and I'm sure you can guess why, so it's absolutely vital that you clean it. One of the easiest ways to wash a toilet brush is to pop it in a bucket filled with 2 cups of bleach and boiling water. You should leave the brush to soak in the solution for several hours. You also need to clean the holder and disinfect it. When you're done, you just need to rinse the brush and replace it back in its holder. Step 11. Clean the sink and taps. The sink can be cleaned in the same way as you washed down the bathtub or shower tray. All you need to do is squirt some bathroom cleaner into the sink, massage the product in and rinse the sink out. The taps can be cleaned with a multi-purpose bathroom cleaner or a white vinegar and water mix. Simply spray the solution onto the taps and wipe them clean with a cloth. And as with the bathtub's plug hole, you'll need to remove any hair from the sink's plug hole too. Step 12. Clean the toothbrush holder. At the bottom of many toothbrush holders, you'll find a horrible, dark, slimy-looking liquid. It's not appealing to look at, and it's quite scary to think that you pop your toothbrush that's been housed in this bacteria-infested mess into your mouth every day. A toothbrush holder can be cleaned with washing up liquid and water. You can further sterilise the holder with boiling water. Step 13. Clean cupboards and shelves. If you have a vanity cabinet in your bathroom, it's a good idea to give it a clean when it's empty. To do this, just check what material your cupboards and shelves are made of. If the storage units are made of a hard-wearing material, you can squirt them with some multi-purpose cleaner and wipe them down. Step 14. Empty the bin. Emptying the bin not only makes your bathroom tidier and hygienic, but it can also make it smell fresher. And if you feel the bin is getting a little smelly, just use bicarbonate of soda to neutralise the smell, or add some essential oils to the bottom of the bin to keep it smelling clean. Step 15. Final checks. Have a good look around your bathroom to see if you've missed any patches. If you see some, now is the time to tackle them. Think of areas like behind the toilet or sink, the radiator and the window handle. Step 16. Declutter and bin any unwanted items. Way back at the beginning, you took a load of stuff out of your bathroom and put it to one side. It's now time to go back and sift through these products to see what you really need to keep and to pop the essential goods back in the bathroom. Throw out empty items or goods that are just taking up needless space. If it helps you to organise your stuff better, give each member in the house their own bathroom basket. This'll help to keep everyone's items in one place. Step 17. Clean the floor. Now that everything in the bathroom is clean, you've done your final check and returned items to the room, you can clean the floor. To clean a bathroom floor, just grab a bucket, fill it up with warm water and some suitable floor cleaner and start mopping the entire floor. It's best to start mopping at the furthest end of the room and work your way towards the bathroom door. That way you won't get boxed in and you won't have to walk across a wet and slippery floor to get out. Ideally, a window should be left open to help the floor to dry. Step 18. Drain unblocker. The next day you can pour some drain unblocker down each drain in the bathroom. The drain unblocker will break down grime that is troubling your plumbing system. You should carry out this step the next day because there's less chance of the drain unblocker reacting with other cleaning chemicals. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.